In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the time format settings in Proton Mail when you're using Google Chrome as your browser. This is a simple process, but it's always handy to have someone guide you through it step by step to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, let's start by logging into Proton Mail through Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and in the address bar, type the Proton Mail URL, which is protonmail.com. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button and enter your personal login details. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is crucial, so ensure you're doing this on a safe and personal device whenever possible. After you've successfully logged in and are on your Proton Mail dashboard, you'll want to head over to the settings. To do this, look for the gear icon. This is commonly located at the top right corner of your inbox. Clicking on this icon will take you to the settings menu, where you can tailor various features of your email experience. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to either the general or display section. These sections often cover general account preferences and display settings for your interface. It's here you'll find various options to customize your email according to your preferences. Look for the option labeled Time Format. This setting allows you to choose how you want the time to be displayed on your emails, whether you prefer the 12-hour format, also known as the standard AM/PM, or the 24-hour military format. This choice is entirely about personal comfort and how you prefer to read time visually in your messages. Once you've decided which format suits you best, go ahead and make your selection. To do this, simply click on your preferred option. This change will adjust how you see time across all your emails going forward, making it either 12-hour or 24-hour based on your selection. Finally, after choosing your preferred time format, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a save button somewhere at the bottom or top of the settings page, depending on the layout. Clicking this ensures all your changes are properly updated, and your email timestamps will immediately reflect the new format. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to adjusting the time format in Proton Mail using Chrome. This small customization can be incredibly useful, particularly if you're managing emails from different time zones or just want a format that matches how you keep track of your daily schedule. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from learning how to tailor their email settings.